Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about remote writing jobs. We're not just talking about any jobs, but rather positions that'll pay top dollar for your skills and let you work from anywhere. Needless to say, it is indeed one of the hottest and most sought-after opportunities in the remote work world. If you're wondering if you could earn above the market salaries as a writer without stepping into an office, this video is for you. In this video, we're going to show you exactly the skills you need as a writer and their earning potential. So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to your next career move. Without any further ado, let's get started. Remote writing isn't just a trend anymore, it's a legitimate career path. No office, no commute, just you, your laptop, and endless possibility. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment for writers and authors will grow 4% from 2024 to 2034. Companies across the globe are hiring content writers, copywriters, and technical writers for fully remote positions. And the best part, there are opportunities at every skill level. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is remote writing? Remote writing jobs mean creating content for clients or companies without ever stepping back in a physical office. You can work from home, from coffee shops, or even while traveling the world. Geography doesn't limit your earning potential anymore. Now, why is remote writing thriving right now? Well, writers gain incredible flexibility and access global opportunities they never had before. On the flip side, companies benefit from accessing talent pools worldwide and reducing massive office expenses. Startups and enterprises are actively recruiting remote writers for marketing, content strategy, and technical documentation. The remote-first movement has permanently changed how writing careers work. Let's talk about the different types of remote writing roles available. First, you have content-focused roles like content writers, blog writers, article writers, and long-form content creators. Then there are marketing and sales roles, copywriters, email marketing writers, landing page specialists, and social media writers. Technical and specialized positions include technical writers, medical writers, grant writers, and proposal writers. Finally, industry-specific writers like fintech writers, crypto writers, cybersecurity writers, legal writers, healthcare writers, and travel writers. Each role requires distinct skills, but here's the good news. Foundational writing competencies transfer across all these categories. What skills do you actually need to be successful with remote writing jobs? First, master grammar. You must write clearly. Second, develop strong research abilities. Every article requires digging into sources and synthesizing information. Third, meeting deadlines consistently. Companies value reliability over brilliance. Fourth, learn to accept feedback. Editors will revise your drafts, so learn from critiques without taking them personally. Fifth, understand basic SEO. Know what keywords are, why headings matter, and how readability affects engagement. How do you build a portfolio? Create 3 to 5 sample pieces in niches you want to target and publish them on Medium or your own WordPress blog. Offer to write 1 free piece for small businesses or local organizations in exchange for a testimonial and permission to showcase the work. Leverage your personal experience and write about topics where you have genuine insights to showcase your expertise. This builds trust and authority with your audience. And documenting everything. Save published articles, client testimonials, and create a simple portfolio website. Now, let's talk salaries. Content marketing specialists develop content strategies, typically earning $55,000 to $85,000 annually. Medical writing coordinators earn $70,000 to $120,000, and grant writing jobs pay $40,000 to $60,000 annually. SaaS content writers who deeply understand software charge $100 to $200 per article. Script writers can earn between $100 to $2,000 plus per script for creating video scripts for YouTube or training content. Ghostwriters authoring books or thought leadership pieces can earn $50 to $200 hourly. And white paper writers creating in-depth technical documents commanding $2,000 to $10,000 plus per project. Disclaimer, please note that all salary ranges mentioned are arbitrary numbers and are often determined by multiple factors, including but not limited to geographic location, experience, skills, and company size, and may be adjusted based on the full details of the compensation package, including benefits, equity, bonuses, and other perks. And here's a beautiful thing about remote work: geographic arbitrage. A real income multiplier. The absolute superpower to earn Silicon Valley salaries while living somewhere with much lower costs. So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1. Stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time. We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews. Step 2. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3. Your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4. Thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you. All right, let's wrap this up. The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere. Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen. Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs. What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.